citizens of Singapore pledge ourselves as one united people, regardless of race, language, or religion, to build a democratic society based on justice and equality, so as to achieve happiness, prosperity, and progress for our nation.
Mari kita rakyat Singapura sama-sama menuju bahagia. Cita-cita kita yang mulia, berjaya Singapura. Marilah kita bersatu dengan semangat yang baru. Semua kita berseru, majulah Singapura, majulah Singapura. Marilah kita bersatu dengan semangat yang baru. Semua kita berseru, majulah Singapura, majulah Singapura. Somebody make some noise! Relight our fire, we'll find our way. And time heals all things, little day by day. Everywhere that I go, see the people I know, all the faces young and old. Let the spirits broken, hear the words unspoken, still more stories yet untold. And I'm grateful still for the sun that shines, spirit, heart, and mind so clear. And I'm finding ways, doing all I can to be bigger than my fears. Every breath I take, I believe we are flying through the night, where the light into the morning after, through the wild in this fight, and from the do it again. Where I belong, where I keep my heart and soul, where dreams come true for us, where we walk together hand in hand toward a future so bright. Where I belong, where I keep my heart and soul, and we are one big family. I want the whole world to know, I wanna shout it out loud, that this is where I know I belong. Where I belong, where I keep my heart and soul, where dreams come true for us, where we walk together hand in hand towards the future so bright. Where I belong, where I keep my heart and soul, where we are one big family. I want the whole world to know, wanna shout it out loud, that this is where I know I belong. I want the whole world to know, wanna shout it out loud, that this is where I know I belong.
Ready?
Stand up for Singapore, do it with a smile.
Smile, everybody, smile!
Stand up for Singapore, you'll find it all worthwhile. Believe in yourself, you got something to share, to show us all you really care. Be prepared to give a little more. Stand up for Singapore. Singapore, our home and nation. Together with determination, join in like we've never done before.
Republic.